Hey guys, it's Christine and welcome back to another video. Today we're moving on from talking about bags and we're going to talk about my favourite designer dupes. So over the last couple of months I've managed to pick up some dupes of the original designer brand, and so if you're wanting something similar but you don't want to pay a pretty penny for it, here are some of the sort of cheaper alternatives that I've found over the past couple of months and I've just wanted to share. So my first item, I have my laptop here in my notes, so sorry if I keep on looking to the side, but the first item I want to talk about is my Louis Vuitton Vachetta strap from Amazon. I've already made a video unboxing this and I've not had this for long, but I just wanted to talk about you know, I've used it a couple of times already and it's been fine. I'm enjoying it, and if you're looking for a crossbody strap but you don't want to spend like 200 quid on the Louis Vuitton ones, definitely recommend picking up one of these. It smells like genuine leather and it looks exactly like the Louis Vuitton ones, just without the price tag. So I paid about £27 or around about £30 for the Amazon ones here, and I think Louis Vuitton ones are worth about £200, so you do save yourself a tenth of the price there. So definitely recommend those if you're looking for a crossbody strap. So the next item I'm going to talk about is the my dupes for the Hermès Oran sandals. So it's these ones here. Oh. And they're, I think Hermes ones, they retail for £495, and I have these ones, I got these from Dupes on sale for £68. So if you compare 68 to £495, you price difference. It is, I've only worn these once as well. I've just unboxed these literally 2 weeks ago, but I've worn these once out to the beach and they are super comfortable. As I say, I'll wear them for a couple more months just to see how I get on with these, and once I've worn them a bit more I'll try and do a review on these as well. These shoes are called the Dupes sandals. I'll add the link to the Dupes website to these in the description box below. So my next item is a dupe for the Chanel sling bags. So it's these ones here, and they're in the camel coloured leather with the black tip. And again, these are from Dupes as well. So I got these on sale for £72 on the Dupes website. These shoes are called the Crocs. So they do feature the block heel. There is a version of it where it's flatter, like, you know, they don't have as high as a heel, but I found these are closer to the Chanel ones and I think they're practically the same, just without the Chanel logo on it, and again a fraction of the price. I have seen other dupes of these, so like there are probably cheaper alternatives out there to the ones that I got from Dupes, but I wouldn't pay for the like extra money for the original. If you're looking for a good sort of cheap alternative for these, Dupes is a good shoe brand to go for, and so I definitely recommend these. So my final item that I picked up, and I think it's absolutely amazing, my mind's absolutely blown, but it is the dupe for the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle perfume. So for just to start off with a bit of a story, so this is from my aunt. I actually found this perfume thanks to my aunt, and she is, I also love her to bits. She is the classiest lady that I know, but she is frugal AF. So it was literally like before going to church and she sprayed some perfume on and I'm like, gosh, that perfume smells like a lot like Chanel. And I kind of thought like, oh, I'll be really surprised if she actually have a Chanel perfume, because I just can't imagine her like splurging that money on like perfume. So what happened was I asked her like, Auntie, like what's that perfume, because it smells really nice, and just wait for it, because when I asked her, she said it's from Lidl's, and I was absolutely gobsmacked. So that Lidl's perfume is here. So it is the, oh, I'm showing you the wrong side of the bottle. So you can't really see that, but it's the Suddenly perfume for women, and it says, so it's Suddenly Madame Glamour, and it's the 50ml bottle. And you wouldn't believe it, but this smells exactly like the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle perfume. So this is a 50ml bottle. The 50ml bottle of the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle costs £79. This costs £4, and that's absolutely amazing. Like, this is my favourite designer dupe find of all the ones that I have just now. My aunt actually grabbed me this for my birthday and I'm so chuffed of it, and so far so good. I've used it once and you know, the smell is still, what happens is the smell lasts for about a good 2 to 3 days. So and it is strong enough where you can smell it but not overpowering. And a plus side is I haven't had any allergic reaction from it. I sprayed some on my neck and it's been fine so far, so I am super chuffed of it. So I definitely recommend that if you don't want to splurge 80 quid on a Chanel perfume and you want something that smells, if not the exact same, like really similar. Definitely recommend checking out Lidl's perfume, because it only costs you £4 and you cannot go wrong with that. So that's just a quick go through of my designer dupes so far. If you guys have your own sort of designer dupe finds that you want to share, definitely comment in the comment box down below. And if you guys have any more questions about these items that I've just shared, I will put the link to them in the description box down below. But once again, thank you so much for watching and joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!